History is filled with celebrity animals, including Washu, Nim the chimps, and Kanzi the bonobo, who have learned to communicate by using sign language or symbols on a keyboard. Alex, an African grey parrot, learned over 100 English words which he could use and combine appropriately. His last words to his handler were, "You be good, I love you, see you tomorrow." The biggest problem researchers run into while studying animal cognition seems to be the actual definition of thinking or intelligence and the way to test it accurately. Nevertheless, most scientists now think that they can say with confidence that some animals process information and express emotions in ways that show conscious mental experience. No animals have been found to have all the attributes of human minds, but almost all the attributes of human mind are found in some animal or the other. Let's look at what we know now about once a taboo subject: how and what do animals think and feel. Dolphins. Dolphins have worked with humans for millennia, from giving rights to ancient Greeks to helping Brazilians catch fish to planting bombs for the Soviet Union. The Russians. One of the most social animals on the planet, dolphins are highly creative and playful animals whose brain to body ratio comes second only to humans. They have complex and evolving forms of communication through which they transmit learning to other generations. They have also been known to use tools, for example sponges, to protect their snout from rough surfaces. When it comes to hunting, dolphins work together in groups with different teams using complex hunting methods to detect, trick, and scare their prey into cleverly devised ways. Dolphins have also in the past formed protective circles around swimmers in need of help, protecting them from sharks or buoying them to the surface to breathe, and on occasion, they have even towed humans to the shore. They enjoy playing games with each other and humans, even without any reinforcement of food, and boy do they like to show off. Elephants. Elephants are considered to be one of the world's most empathetic species with a social life that rivals that of humans. They are capable of a wide range of emotions, including joy, playfulness, grief, and mourning. They get together with friends and families, play games, and greet each other. They express immense amounts of joy when welcoming the birth of a newborn baby elephant. They also comfort one another when distressed with both physical contact and vocal sounds. They grieve for their dead and have been observed to cover the remains of another elephant with branches, bushes, and other debris to cover them up. In addition to emotional intelligence, elephants are able to learn new facts and behaviors, mimic sounds that they have heard, self-medicate, and even perform artistic activities. They can also identify language and can distinguish differences in human gender, age, and ethnicity purely by the sound of someone's voice, which helps them to switch into defense mode if the voice belongs to someone more likely to pose a threat. They have been known to use different objects as tools for conducting various tasks. For example, they've been seen using branches to swat flies or to throw them at opponents. They even use logs to neutralize electric fences. Others have been observed digging a hole to reach drinking water and then plugging the hole with a ball formed from chewed bark to prevent the water from evaporating, thus saving it for later use. These magnificent creatures have extraordinary memories and are able to track one another over large distances by calling to each other and using their sense of smell even after being apart for a long period of time. Dogs. Dogs, as we all know, are highly trainable. They can connect names with objects more easily than other animals do and can understand from 250 to 1000 words and gestures. Dogs come from wolves, and wolves are herd animals. And within a herd, there are well-marked roles and relationships. For dogs, their owners are part of the herd. And just like wolves can detect when a pack member is sad, angry, or tired, they empathize with us and try to understand our words. Dogs can not only tell the difference between happy and sad human faces, they also respond differently to them. Studies have found that dogs eavesdrop on human interactions to assess who is being mean to their owner and who isn't. Dogs also experience jealousy. Not only that, but dogs do their best to figure out how to handle the thing that's taking their owner's attention. The ability to understand emotions just like we do might be why humans are so close to dogs. Cats. Cats are perceived as self-centered, moody, indifferent, and none of your business type pets. But cat owners will let you know that that is far from the truth. Recent researchers have found that cats also can recognize human gestures and expressions, and that they behave differently to different emotions. And though scientists are a little reluctant to claim that cats are self-aware of their own emotions, they can express a range of emotions that are usually signaled loud and clear. In humans, the cerebral cortex, the region of the brain that controls thinking and rational decision making, contains 21 to 26 billion neurons or nerve cells. Cats have 300 million neurons compared to dogs with 160 million neurons, allowing them to have longer lasting memories than dogs. Cats learn by observation and action. For example, opening doors, ringing bells, and turning on light switches. And these memories can last up to 10 years or more, along with traumatic experiences and stress. Cats are also able to hold an object in mind and reason where it may be. Stash toys in the cabinet or treats in a drawer where your cat can't see them? He probably still knows. But if cats are so smart, why don't we use them as police cats or military cats? Well, maybe because they're too smart to be enslaved by puny humans. As someone put it, dogs come to you when they're called. Cats take the message and get back to you. Chimpanzees. The ability of chimps to learn new skills and teach their young is remarkable. They have large complex brains similar in structure to ours, which is maybe why it is no surprise that we share common traits in intellect and emotion. Chimpanzees are curious, have long-term memory, and learn from observation and imitation. They have been known to make use of objects and even make tools, along with making toys and devising their own games. Chimpanzees have also been known to medicate themselves by using certain plants to cure stomach pain or to kill parasitic worms and bacteria. Chimpanzees have a complex system of communication that uses a variety of body language, facial expression and calls, grunts, gestures, and other specific sounds. They have even been able to grasp human sign language. Some apes know how to use more than 1,000 signs, and they also create new words. For example, a female gorilla once combined the signs for white and tiger to describe a zebra. Another combined bottle and match to say lighter. You get the picture. Studies show that chimpanzees understand when other chimpanzees are suffering and emotionally respond when they see that another chimp or a familiar human is injured. Chimpanzees laugh when they play and cry when they grieve. They experience and express joy, anger, jealousy, affection, and when taught, like to swear a lot. Their brains may be small compared to us, but size doesn't always matter. Neanderthals, the hominids that went extinct more than 20,000 years ago, had bigger brain than us Homo sapiens. Granted that we can't know for sure what goes inside those heads, but we can't read human minds either. And when has that stopped us? If you guys are new to the channel, then I do encourage you to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to never miss a single video on our channel, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up by slapping that like button below. We make content on a wide range of subjects, and you can even suggest us the topics you want us to cover in the comment section below.